Hey entrepreneurs, I'm Jenny with JenLynn Stock Shop, and I'm here to help you use our mockups and sell your stuff. How to use a JenLynn Stock Shop mockup that's specifically a PNG file for Canva. So first things first, you're going to want to upload the PNG file that you've purchased. I saved mine to my desktop, so I'm going to open that. And it's going to appear over here on the left under images. Once it's done loading, you can click and drag it over here to your page. And it should autofill if you drop it right. Now, what you want to do is put your design over the top of the blanket. So I'm going to look up my logo pattern that I have. And I'm going to click it and drag it and set it right over the blanket where the mock-up is placed. Now you're going to want to resize it, and then this is where the magic happens. If you right click and you go to layer and then send to back, it will go to the back of the file and it will appear like it's on the blanket. Now sometimes if you want to access the layers and move things around, I do option 1 and it takes me to this layers panel, and you can add more layers if you want to. I do this often for watermarking. If I want to watermark the top of it, I add it to the top of the layers. But really, that's all you have to do. And then once you're ready to save it, you go up here to the top. There's a white button that says share. You can't see it on my screen share at the moment, but click on it and you download. You pick what size and file type you want to save it as. You probably want to do it as a JPEG if you're listing it to Etsy, and then download. And then you can upload your final mock-up images to your Etsy listings. And that's how you work with my mock-ups in Canva.